starting the test drive in this Yukon, just getting a little bit of play here from the transmission. So I don't know if it's about to go out or what, but again, this has almost 192,000 miles on it. It's almost like it doesn't want to shift. But this one hasn't been through service. I don't know what it could be. But the V8 seems to still be strong. But we do have the check engine light on. We have the tire pressure sensors on. The tire pressure sensor is probably broken. And the check engine light is probably a multitude of factors. As these get up there, especially these older ones, certain codes start to get thrown. While they can still be driven, they just are not necessarily perfect. But still gets up rather quickly. But now the service brake soon indicator on there. And I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but the cruise control doesn't want to work. But again, this was a fresh trade, so this one is probably going to go to auction, but if it doesn't, all this stuff will be repaired as it's supposed to. But honestly, the ride is great. It's a good riding SUV. But I love that this still rumbles, sounds good. Again, the engine still seems strong. It's just a transmission, again, around the first, second, third gear, hesitant to shift. But one thing I've always loved about these is these were loud vehicles. The ride was always plush, but you had that aggressive sound in these Denalis particularly. And again, still pulling good. Now with this one having the miles that it does, right under 192, if you're looking for something cheap, if you want to get something, you can probably find some under 10 grand with that kind of mileage. Might need a few things fixed up, especially if you're a mechanic or something. You might have yourself a bargain there if you can fix your transmission, redo your engine, things of that nature if it needs it. And then you probably drive this another 150, 200,000 miles. I'm sure the radio doesn't have too much life left, but you can do aftermarket with that. The AC is still blowing cold, so you should be good there. But these there's nostalgia attached to these older Yukons, Escalades. They were really the cream of the crop before everybody else got on board, in my opinion. In terms of, I mean, Lexus had their vehicles. Of course, you could get a Range Rover or something like that, but in terms of just American-made SUVs, I feel like Ford wasn't really touching it like they are now. You could get a Lincoln, but again, around this time, I feel like the Navigator might have been a bit dated, but you just have the nostalgic feel of having that 6.2 liter V8, heated and cooled seats, and you just feel like king of the road in one of these. But this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2009 GMC Yukon Denali.